USHASHREE is the best.
My name is Rohit Gurung. I am from Kathmandu, and I originally belong to Manam. So I first went for some roaming around the city to find the suitable consultancy that are available here, but most of them didn't give me the answer that I hoped for. So they were like, don't apply, don't do this, and through the help of my friend also, I came to know about USHASHREE Education Foundation, and yeah, it has been the best choice I have done so far.
Okay,
So honestly, I have been associated with USHASHREE for about 4 years now. So before I did my IELTS SAT through here, but due to lack of fund, I didn't apply for the USA. But now after some gap time and some savings, I've again decided to apply for the USA, and yeah, this time I haven't been granted the visa. So I choose USA as my main destination because USA is also one of the leading nations in the technology sector, and also the American education system provide a very rigorous and maintain their quality. And also there are many tech hubs like Amazon, Microsoft, Activision, Rockstar, which creates an opportunity for intern and research projects. And so yeah. So Usha ma'am helped me from the very beginning on maintaining my documents. So I didn't know anything on what the documents were needed, what I have to do. So she guided me through the whole process from the beginning. I received a significant amount of scholarship from the university of my choice, which I have applied for. Usha ma'am have held the regular mock interview test for me, and she also held an mock interview appointment with the university associates. So yeah, I have been pretty confident since my interview mock.
okay.
So I was very hopeless since I had 6 years gap. With the confidence that Usha ma'am provided me, I'm very grateful to them. If I didn't get the confidence, I wouldn't have chosen US to apply for USA.
Okay.
Yes, I would suggest my friends and anyone who want to apply to study in abroad to come and consult through USHASHREE Education, because they are very helpful and they will they will guide you from step 1 to the step last till the time you are granted the visa. So if you go to all the consultants, they will look for what's their benefit, and yeah. So I would suggest everyone to apply from here.